Let's look at the resource manager's role. Your job is to monitor incoming maintenance orders and to assign their corresponding work order operations to work centers, so maintenance can be carried out. Ensuring that work order operations are assigned to the proper work center can minimize downtime and therefore minimize maintenance costs. A good starting point is the resource manager's overview tile. Here, you can see which work order operations need to be assigned, how your work centers are being used and how they are performing. You have 3 work centers available, with varying costs, availability, work hours available, and efficiency, in other words, how quickly they are able to complete tasks. They are external contractors, MOS qualified and general motor pool. Using the cards available here, you can assign work order operations to one of the work centers, taking into account the capacity of each work center. Operations requiring fewer hours may be best assigned to the general motor pool. We recommend, however, using the Manage Work Center Utilization tile to assign work order operations to work centers. The data available and list view makes assigning operations easier. In this tile, you can see maintenance orders and their corresponding work order operations. Select each order operation to be assigned, and then use the Change Work Center drop-down to assign these operations to a work center. The graph on the right-hand side displays the capacity of each work center and the hours of maintenance assigned to them. Try to keep your work centers within target capacity. How do you monitor the maintenance work being completed? Use the Maintenance Order Confirmation tile to verify which operations were assigned, in progress or completed. The Work Center Performance tile will highlight the actual number of hours needed to complete a task versus the number of hours assigned. Keep in mind work center capacity and efficiency. You are now ready to tackle resource manager role.